embracing the moment, understanding, live for today. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, live for today. This expression is not just about words, it's about a lifestyle and mindset. So, let's explore what it really means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Live for today is an expression that encourages people to focus on the present moment, rather than worrying too much about the future or dwelling on the past. It's about making the most of the here and now, appreciating what you have, and living life to its fullest. This phrase is often used to remind ourselves or others that life is short and unpredictable, so it's important to enjoy it while we can. Let's see how live for today can be used in everyday language. 1. When advising a friend who is overstressed about future plans, you should try to live for today a bit more. Enjoy what's happening now. 2. In a motivational speech, our motto should be to live for today. Let's make the most of every opportunity we have. 3. In personal reflections or diary entries, I've decided to live for today more. I want to cherish every moment. This phrase is deeply rooted in various cultural contexts. It's similar to the Latin phrase, carpe diem, which means, seize the day. Different cultures have their own versions of this idea, emphasizing the importance of living in the moment and not taking time for granted. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, live for today. I hope this video inspires you to embrace each day with joy and enthusiasm. Remember, life is a beautiful journey, and it's all about making the most of now. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.